I hope that every one of you know about Firefling, that what is Firefling and why it is used for. Okay, sir, I'm system installed Windows 7, so Node.js not support. Yes, I guess, Jatin, Windows 10 will be needed, I guess. Okay, so please allow me to share my screen. So Jatin, then makes you do it in your friend's laptop or your roommate, classmate, anyone's laptop. We just have to make sure that we are able to generate reports by using Newman, and we are able to uh, uh, run the collection in command prompt as well. So please, if it is not possible from your laptop, please try it. Try it. Okay, just try it with another laptop, some other laptop, maybe your friend's laptop or your roommate. Okay, but try it once. Okay, because we have to make sure that each and everything should be covered. So now I have just shared my screen. Now I guess every one of you, each one of you know about Firefling. Why, like, what is Firefling? Scriptless automation tool, obviously, and why it is used for, and for how many purposes we can use. Like, we can use for uh, web applications, we can use for mobile application, as well as we can do API testing here. Automation, basically we can do automation as well as we can do manual testing in Firefly. All of you, I guess, I have completed my manual testing session. Okay, so you have some idea regarding this Firefly. Okay, so you must have some idea regarding this Firefly. Now I'm just moving forward. uh, Password kya tha, sir? Password at the rate 123. If you are, see, Sumit, don't, as of now, guys, you like, as of now, only for today, I have shared all your details to management to Firefly. Okay, so they will soon add all of you guys under one license, and under that particular license I'm just working under some random license. One license will be created here. Okay, like Fireflink, and your batch code, I guess it is NFFA3. So yeah, so one license will be created of name Fireflink NFFA3. Then in that particular license you have to work. Okay, in that particular license you have to work. I will repeat again. Okay, I will repeat again the same thing in tomorrow and today and tomorrow. Okay, just for 2 days, because there is nothing in Fireflink. It is just similar to Postman. If we know how to use Postman, then we can easily use Fireflink, because it is totally similar. Okay, yeah, done. So as of now, don't do anything in Fireflink. You will be added under one license, and under that particular license you have to work. Okay, done. So as of now, just to understand things, how to work in Fireflink, how to do API testing in Fireflink, I have just picked some random license. Okay, how to download? No, you don't have to download Fireflink. Basically, you just have to type the URL fireflink.com, then you will be navigated to Fireflink, first thing. And second thing, oh yes, exactly, one thing you have to download, that is client. How to download client? You just have to click on configuration, and then in run configuration, then you have to click environment configuration. First of all configuration, then run configuration, and environment configuration. Previously, if you have completed manual testing, my manual testing project session class, previously we were in configuration, we were going to templates, and we were creating some manual test cases templates. Okay, now configuration, in configuration, one more thing we can do. We just have to go to configuration, run configuration, and we have to click on environment configuration. Then we will get this download client option. So we just have to click on this download client, and we have to select our OS, operating system, OS version. Okay, so obviously mine is Windows, I will select Windows, and I will click on download. As soon as I clicked on download, okay, like it is starts downloading. Okay, almost 850 MB. Okay, store like about, yeah, it's 150 MB it will take to download. uh, and then you have to install it. Okay, it will ask for access. Fireflink asks for access only 2 times. Okay, it will ask for providing accesses in your system for 2 times you have to allow Fireflink. Okay, but be very careful while allowing access, because some other accesses also uh, it will ask. Okay, but we only have to provide access to Firefly, not to any other thing. Okay, done. So it will ask for only 2 times. Okay, so please provide access after downloading and after installing it. The moment you download it and you go to install it, okay, it look like this. If you download it, it will look like this here, like this. See, Firefly client windows. Okay, so you just have to download it, and then you have to install it. By double click on it, on this, it will start installing. Okay, done. So you have to download it after end of this session. You have to download, please. After end of this session, in your home, in your place, in your PG, in your flat, wherever you are, please download it. Okay, after finishing this session, you go and download it if it is not in your system. Okay, download and then install it. Okay, it will ask for access only 2 times. Done. Now what I will do, I will just navigate to Firefly. I will just navigate to Firefly. Okay, basically, just because as of now we have not added under any specific license, so I have just pick any random license, and I will work on this license, and I will show it to you that how you have to work. Okay, so please concentrate here, please focus here. Okay, yeah, done. So now what I will do, obviously I will create one project. Okay, obviously I will create one project. Just learn from here, don't do anything anywhere. Okay, I will tell you, you will be added under one license today only. At the end of the day, you have to work under that license only. You don't have to work any, you don't have to work any other license. In any other license, you have to work under that specific license. You will be added at the end of the day. Okay, so just be little patient. Now, what I did, I just clicked on this project. Now I have to give. I am just creating one project, so I have to give one project name. So I will give like API project. Okay, dummy project, API project. Okay, so I will select project type. If you are selecting web and mobile, web services will come by default. Even if you're selecting Salesforce, even if you're selecting Salesforce, it will provide web services. Basically, if you're selecting anything, web services will come by default. Okay, will come by default, it will be there. Okay, so basically, now why we are creating this project, to work, what to do, some provide some web services. Okay, so I will click on web services, and then this description, URI and port it is not needed, so I will not give it here. I will just click on create button. I will just click on create button. Okay, done. So now what next I will do, I will just add one module by my name. Okay, I will just create one module by my name. Suppose I have created one module. Okay, then I've clicked on create button. Okay, then what I will do, I will just start writing this test cases. I will start doing API testing. How to do it? You just have to open your that API test cases, okay, that you have written. Okay, you just have to open your API test cases, not mine. Okay, you have to open your API test cases, and just copy this description, and like basically what action we are performing here, just give that action thing that basically for what yeah, this is my module, but what exactly my collection name. Suppose as of now I'm working in for pet store. Okay, suppose I'm working for pet store. Okay, I will create. Then what I will do, I will go, I will add one automation script. Okay, I will give the name, I will select script type, web service. Okay, name should be numeric or something. Then remove this dot. Okay, select web service and click on create. Okay, what I did, I just first of all, see here, I just created one module by my name. I mentioned like what collection it is, what basically what collection it is. So as of now I'm working on pet store. I've just I added one module by pet store. Okay, and then I have chosen from add automation script, and I have given the script name that verify user is able to create a repository. Okay, so now then here we can see one option, web service. Here we can see one option, that is web service. So we just have to click on this web service. The moment we click on web service, now we are in this REST API page basically. Okay, so now I will just start giving all those things, like whatever we are giving in Postman, I will give the same details here also, like enter request name. As of now, I'm working, suppose I'm working for pet store, so I will open my pet store, so I get document or API document. Okay, now what I will do, uh, basically first I will create one pet. In pet store we were dealing with pet. Okay, so I will give one request name, that is pet, and then post. Okay, post method I will choose obviously for creating or adding anything. Okay, now here we have to give base URL, so I will just copy this base URL. Okay, I will just copy the base URL and I will enter here. Okay, then I will give what endpoints, that is slash pet, and this body. Okay, done. So I will give just endpoint, that is slash pet, and then I have to give body now. So here we can give body. I will just copy this body from pet store. Okay, I'll just copy this and I'll paste it here. Okay, I'll paste it here. Now what you have to do, see, I'll paste it here. Simply this thing we were doing in uh, Postman. Yes, exactly. HTTPS. I was just about to send request to show you the status code that we will get. Okay, but it's okay if you are aware about all these things. Then it is support. Okay, good. Now, so we have given the request name perfectly. We have given the method and we have given the base URL as well as endpoints. Okay, here also there should be no space. Okay, and we have given the body as well. Okay, here you can see this option: request body, request header, authorization basically that what we were doing there, prerequisite. Okay, assert is nothing but post condition. These are tests. See, but there we have to write some method or something. Here we don't have to do anything. Okay, I will tell you now. Prerequisite, it is not working as of now. It is not, it is implemented some, but some changes are going on there. Okay, so it is not perfectly implemented, but yes, it is implemented, but it is not perfectly implemented. Some changes are still going on. Developers are working on those changes, so we can't use prerequisite as of now. For now we can't use it. Okay, so but post condition we can use, and obviously authorization we have to give. All these are the types of authorization that we already go through with postman as well. Okay, then request body. Okay, some request header and query parameter. Okay, I've not. Okay, so there are so many things to learn about API. We will learn. Okay, so this body I have given. Okay, I have given request name. See, similar to Postman, if you know how to do CRUD operation is Postman, you can easily do it in Firefly as well. I told you earlier also that if you learn one tool regarding anything, suppose if you have knowledge of C programming language, C is the mother of programming language, you will easily learn Java, Python, or any other programming language. Just like that, if you learn one scripted tool, if you learn Selenium, then you can easily work on UFT and QTP as well. That was these tools are also scripted tools. These tools were previously these tools were used. Okay, were used. Now if you learn any scriptless tools, Firefly, then you can easily work on any other scriptless tool like Catalan or something. Okay, so basically there in postman we learn how to do API testing, how to do current operations. So now in on any other tool also we can perform, we can do anything. Okay, in 1 or 2 days we can easily learn. Okay, we can easily learn that tool if we have already good knowledge about the topic. If it doesn't matter if we worked on some other tool, if we have good knowledge regarding that topic, we can do in any tool. Okay, so basically all these, after giving all these details, basically we were first saving and then we were sending the request. But here in Firefly, just you can directly click on send button without saving it. It will automatically save. Then after clicking on sending button, as you can see, 200 okay passed. Okay, see, 200 okay passed, requested and all those things in JSON format, text, HTML format, It is in HTML. No, it is not. Yes, see, previously it was in HTML. This is in it now. It is in JSON format. Okay. So now after sending request in Firefly, you can save it as a step. Okay. In Postman, we were first we were saving that step, and then basically we were sending requests. But here in Firefly, first we have to send request, and then we have to save as a step. Save as a step is nothing but like we were adding some request under a one particular collection. So suppose I have added module of pet store, so it is nothing but collection. Like we were creating some collection in Postman, but in here Firefly we are adding some modules. Okay, now what is this save as a step? It is nothing but in Postman, under that particular collection we were adding some request. So here in Firefly, under that module we are saving all these requests as a step. Okay, so after sending one request, if it is valid, okay, done, everything is going good, we have to click on this save as a step. Okay, and then we have to click on save. So one step will save here. Okay, one step will be saved here. Okay, now again, why we want to hit different request. Okay, so again we have to click on web service. Okay, now we have to fetch that we have created. Okay, we have to fetch that created pet. So fetch pet, the operation that we have to use is get only. Okay, and obviously we have to give URL. So I will give URL, this URL. Okay, I will give it, and then obviously you have to use this get method, that is slash pet id. So I will use slash pet and slash, what is that pet id? I forgot to, oh my god, data will be lost. Okay, it's okay. One pet id was generated. Okay, again I guess I have to send request. Yeah, see, this is pet id. So I will just copy this. Let's see if I send multiple time requests, it is changing or not. No, it is not changing. So I will just copy this pet ID. I will paste it somewhere. Okay, in Notepad I will paste it. Okay, then I will go again to my steps. I will just select on web service. I will give request name as fetch pet. I will choose method, that is get. Uh, First I will give a URL. Okay, and then we will give endpoints, that is slash pet id. So slash pet, and that pet id we have copied over here. So I will just copy this pet id and I'll paste it over here. Okay, now simply we just have to click on send button. Oh my god, again I forgot. Nice, send button. So again we will get what, 200. Okay, status code. Then we have to click on save as a step. Now here one option, if you want to save it, you can save it. If you want to save and continue, like previously I had clicked on save button. So I was navigated to that steps page. Okay, now if I click on save and continue, see, this is one nice feature in Firefly that we can just continue now. Okay, yes, update pet. Okay, now to update pet, put method what used in pet store. So see slash pet. Okay, then I'll just copy the u base URL. I will paste it over here. Then slash pet and obviously protocol. Okay, and then I have to give some body, so I can found the particular body from over here that I have to update. I will just copy it and I'll paste it here. I'll send it and then I will get 200. Okay, so I have to now save it as a step, and if I want to continue, I can continue. Okay, then again, if I want to delete this, so I have to select one request name, that is delete pet. Now choose delete method, enter the base URL, enter the just base URL, https colon double forward slash that base URL, and the endpoint that we are using is slash pet ID. So slash pet and slash pet ID is this that we are using. I will just copy and paste it over here. I will now click on send button. So I will again get 200. Okay. Okay. Again, I will save it as a step. Now this time I have performed all those or all those four operations. So I will just click on for save. Okay. So basically what we have to do, uh, don't like under Kushagra, just start adding. Just I want to edit this thing. I want to pet store APIs update like this, or else you just create one module by your name. Okay, just not now you have to do it. If you are under license, you will be added at the end of the day. Then you have to create one module by your name, and then start adding automation script from here as well. Okay, from here, like now what I will do, I will tell you how to do it. Again, I will add one automation script. Okay, I will give name it as regress web service and click on create. Okay, then I will close this API document. I will open request API document for our practice that we were doing in Postman. Okay, same thing you have to do for practicing the same thing in Firefly as well. We will just use the information that like we already did this in Postman as well. Okay, we have just like whatever the it is telling us to do get operation. So obviously I will choose get. Okay, what will be the request name will be the list users, so I will just give the request name as list users. Okay, and then these are the endpoints that it is using, so I will just copy this endpoint. For before copying endpoint, I have to copy the URL, base URL. Okay, paste it over here, copy the endpoint, copy the endpoint equal to 2. Okay, see, remove the spaces, remove extra uh, forward slash. Okay, and then I will just click on send button. So I should get what, 200 response, and and this body in my response body. So I got 200. Okay, and I got this body as well in my response body. Guys, understanding how we are doing automation in Firefly? Understanding? Easy, no? Simple. See, we have just learned one tool, that is the Postman. Now we can easily do automation in Firefly. Okay, that's why I taught Postman before, and then I start teaching you about Firefly, because just like Postman, we can do API testing here in Firefly as well. Okay, so done. So this is one assignment that I am giving you, that just like this you have to, not now, like basically if you get added under one, like under that particular license today only, so you please try to finish this assignment today, because it is not a big deal. You also know, like hardly half an hour it will take perform all operations. Okay, so if you get got added by today itself, so you please like under that specific license NFFA3, if you got added by today itself, then you please take some time, and you can do it in half an hour. Okay, perform all those actions. But if you didn't got added, and if you got added tomorrow or something, just please try to do it tomorrow before coming to my next class, like. Okay, and tomorrow we will have last class of API. Okay, so we studied about how to do API manual testing in Postman. Okay, and now we are doing automation in Firefly. So tomorrow, just because 2 days, hardly 2 days time it will take to learn Firefly, because it is very easy to understand. Teaching you, I'm just making you familiar with the features. Okay, like from where you have to go, from where you can find this option, from where you can find this web service. Okay, so I'm just making familiar with you all these features, but you also know that you can do easily. Okay, uh, this is one most preferred. Postman is most preferred for now. Okay, because Firefly has launched just like I guess 6 or 7 months before. Okay, anyone added previous license, then I will go to attend previous license. Yes, you can go, Ratan, but that's what I'm telling you, that wait for some time, you will be get added under one new license. Okay, all of you whoever has filled a Google form, you will get one fresh license. And that because like suppose you are under some this any other license, NPA2 or something, and double FA1, like any particular license, you are added. Okay, but in that particular license, maybe you have written some manual test cases, maybe you have written, or maybe you have developed some scripts. Okay, not developed scripts, but maybe you have written some manual test cases over there in that particular license. So that's why I'm telling you, you will get one fresh license where you can do API projects, where you can do API testing. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you just to wait for some time. You will be added under one license. In that particular license, you please work. Okay, but for now, just for our understanding, we will understood this. Okay, and then we will same thing we will do in our respective license, in our specific license. Okay, we will add that same thing we were adding modules by our names in manual testing also, and we are writing test cases. Same, we will add module by our name, and then we will add automation script. What automation script? Pet store, and pet store all four operations. Then we will add next automation script under our module, and then under this automation script, I will perform all those action. Okay, see, oh my god, I had performed, no. Okay, so basically we will do like this. Okay, see, same thing in regress also. Just click on regress, go to web service, and then start giving list users. Okay, list users. Now I will do next one, suppose this create one, first post this one. Okay, post create. Okay, so I will give name as create. Okay, the method that we are use is post. Okay, and then this is the body that we have to use, and this is the base URL. Okay, so I will give the base URL, and then I will give the endpoints, that is slash API slash users, API slash users. Okay, and then I will copy this body, and I will paste it over here. Okay, I will send this request. What expected result? 201. So I'm getting 201. Okay. See, you can check body as well. That's which are written over here in request. Okay. You have to perform. Okay. You have to perform. And four operations in pet store, and I guess 11 or 12 operations in request. All these things that we already did in fire in pet postman, now we will do it in Firefly by adding modules by our name, and in our respective modules we will add automation scripts. Under that particular automation scripts, we will do CRUD operation. We will add all those requests. Okay, done. सर इसमें टेस्ट केस वैलिडेशन नहीं होता. टेस्ट केस वैलिडेशन, टेस्ट केस एग्जीक्यूशन होता है. I will tell you obviously so many topics we have to discuss in Firefly as well. Okay, please sir give a starting quick recap. Ali, I will tell you nothing. We were just adding requests. We were just telling that. Okay. Again, I will what I will do. I will add one more automation script. Now here I will add it as uh, GitHub. GitHub. Select a script type web service and create it. Okay. Now I have added one automation script and I have named it as GitHub. Now what I will do, I will click on this web service. I will click on this web service. Okay. Web service. And then I will start giving request him and all those things. Or else we can do manual test execution, API test case execution here in Firefly. How to do it? Easy. Uh, Verify if user. Okay, create repo. Create repo. Post slash user. Okay, basically post and web URL is copy. And then I will come over here, copy this also and paste it over here. Okay, now what next? Request properties JSON bodies. See here you don't have to select content type as JSON because already it is written over here that it is REST API. So obviously, see content type already by default it is selected JSON. If you want to select any other thing, you can select it and body is raw, obviously raw. Okay, done. So I will just paste the body over here and I will click on send button. What I will get? Tell me what I will get. 401 unauthorized because I have not given bearer token. So now how to give bearer token here? Select, click on this. As of now, you are in request body. Now you have to select authorization. Okay, see, I have just click on this. I have select authorization. What kind of authorization? What type of authorization? Bearer token. Okay, so I will select bearer token. What is the value of bearer token? Okay, and let me open my test case. I will give this value. I will give value that I had used in my API test case, which I have basically given in my API test case. Okay. Now, if I click on send, now what I will get? Now what I will get? Again 401 authorized. Okay, I guess this token is expired. So now, oh my god, I have to create one more token. Yes, Vartika, you're right. We are supposed to get 201 status code, but unfortunately, I guess our token is expired. So I will use one new more token. I will just create one more token, new token. Developer settings, access tokens, tokens classic, generate new token classic, enter the password. Yes, give Firefly token. Okay, select repository, and if you obviously without wasting time, okay, because already we know, like if we don't select delete repository token like this checkbox, and if we are going to perform delete operation, then we will get what status code? We will get 403 forbidden. Okay, so that's why I have selected now only, because we already know what status code we will get if we don't select. Okay, done. So same, I will copy this token. Okay, I will copy this token. I will just copy this token. I will update it in my test case as well, and then I will update it in my file. Yeah, in my project. Now, if I click on send button, definitely we are going to get 201 created. Okay, see, 201 created. It is in HTML or text format. Now, if I click on JSON, see, it is a JSON format. Okay, now it is in JSON format. Done. Now, same like this. Now I will, what next thing I have to do in Firefly, I have to click on this save as a step. Okay, save as a step. If we want to continue, you can just click on the save and continue, and you can continue with this. Okay, Same thing here also you have to do, but now two things we will cover here. Okay, one, we will cover enter request name. Okay, again I will come back, fetch repo get and all these endpoints. Okay, fetch repo. Okay, get is the operation, what is the base url. Okay, so now what I will do, just because I'm using this same base url. One sec. So moving on. Yeah, I will give request URL, and just because we are using this URL multiple times everywhere, we are using it. This, so we will make use of variable in Firefly as well, and we can create one variable. So how to create a variable over here? You already know. Yeah, one sec. Use of variables. Okay, here in Firefly as well we can make use of variables. If any data is coming repeatedly, then obviously we have to make use of variables. Okay, so how to make use of variable here? You just have to add the value, like basically in Postman, uh, we were getting we are getting one, like we have to go to environment and there we have to set variables. So here in Firefly, like remember, no, in the environment we were going and we are setting up variables in Postman. Now in Firefly we just have to click on this variables. Okay, oh my god, डेटा विल बी लॉस्ट. ओके, ठीक है, कितना किया यहाँ मैंने. वेरिएबल्स पे गए. ठीक है, बेसिकली प्लस वेरिएबल. अब वेरिएबल का नाम देना है, तो वेरिएबल का नाम है बेस यूआरएल. ठीक है, और वेरिएबल की वैल्यू ये है. तो मैंने वेरिएबल की वैल्यू दे दी. अभी लोकल वेरिएबल बाय डिफॉल्ट आ रहा है कि आपको लोकल वेरिएबल क्रिएट करना है कि ग्लोबल. ग्लोबल, बेसिकली पेट स्टोर में हमारे पास बाय डिफॉल्ट एक ग्लोबल का सेक्शन रहता था. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे तो ये एनवायरमेंट है, एनवायरमेंट पे यहाँ बाय डिफॉल्ट ग्लोबल का सेक्शन रहता था, और हमको टेस्ट एनवायरमेंट, एक खुद का एक एनवायरमेंट क्रिएट करना पड़ता था. ये हमारा लोकल एनवायरमेंट में रहता था, तो इस ये हमारे यहाँ पे लोकल वेरिएबल्स रहते थे. लेकिन फायरफ्लिंग में डायरेक्टली ओपनिंग, लाइक ओपन ऑप्शन है कि ये लोकल वेरिएबल्स का एक पेज है, यहाँ पे सीधे लोकल वेरिएबल होंगे. ठीक है, और वहां पे हमको क्रिएट करना पड़ता था. बेसिकली यहाँ पे हमको क्रिएट नहीं करना है, हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है, बस हमको सेलेक्ट करना है कि कौन सा वेरिएबल. ये ड्रॉप डाउन आप देख रहे हो वेरिएबल्स के लिए, ये बस ये ड्रॉप डाउन को सेलेक्ट करो. अब ग्लोबल है, लोकल है, जो भी वेरिएबल्स होगा उसको उसमें आप सेलेक्ट कर लो. जैसे ये बेस यूआरएल एक ग्लोबल वेरिएबल है, तो मैं ग्लोबल वेरिएबल सेलेक्ट किया. ठीक है, फिर click on this. I obviously have to create one variable, add one variable, so I will click on add, and then I will give the variable value, and I will name it as base URL. Okay, base URL, and it is a global variable. So I will click on create button. So okay, I will click on create button. Now if I come back to my script, okay, but before that what I will do, I will add all those variables, like I will add all those repeated data which are coming repeatedly in each collection or in a particular collection. Okay, so global variable, one token can be the token also can be one global variable. So I will just go to GitHub. I will select this. Okay. I will go to authorization, and I will just copy this token. Okay. And one more thing, we can also make use of variable from here. We don't have to, if you don't have to go there, we can create one variable from here as well, or here as well. See, if I just click on here, it can be created as variable. Okay, and here also it can be created as variable. So what I will do, I will just create one variable from here only. ठीक है, ये बस मैं ये नेम दे दिया, क्या नेम, टोकन, वैल्यू बाय डिफॉल्ट एडेड है, और ये एक ग्लोबल वेरिएबल है, तो मैं यहीं से सेलेक्ट कर लिया. ठीक है, तीन वेरिएबल है, लोकल, ग्लोबल और प्रोजेक्ट एनवायरमेंट. बेसिकली ये रिमूव हो जाएगा वेरी सून, प्रोजेक्ट एनवायरनमेंट वेरिएबल, बिकॉज ग्लोबल वेरिएबल की तरह है कि जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट वेरिएबल्स प्रोजेक्ट एनवायरनमेंट में, बेसिकली जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट वेरिएबल्स और बहुत ही सिक्योर्ड वेरिएबल्स होते हैं, वो सारे किसी उस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट में अगर कोई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट और किसी वेरिएबल को बहुत सिक्योर रखना है, तो उसको हम प्रोजेक्ट एनवायरनमेंट वेरिएबल में ऐड कर सकते हैं। और ग्लोबल वेरिएबल में तो पता ही है कि वो वेरिएबल जो ग्लोबली यूज हो रहे हैं आपके प्रोजेक्ट में, तो ग्लोबल वेरिएबल। ठीक है, तो क्रिएट, नाउ क्रिएट, तो यहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि यहाँ पे एक टोकन, ये एक वेरिएबल क्रिएट हो गया है। हम पोस्टमैन में वेरिएबल को कॉल करते थे करली ब्रेसेस से, यहाँ फायरफ्लिंग में हम वेरिएबल को कॉल करते हैं डॉलर से। ठीक है, डॉलर से। ठीक है, तो जैसे मैं अभी वेरिएबल्स ऑप्शंस में जाता भी हूँ, तो यहाँ पे अगर मैं ग्लोबल वेरिएबल्स के सेक्शन पे जाता हूँ, तो आप यहाँ पे देखोगे कि ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे मैंने वेरिएबल क्रिएट किया, तो वही सेम वेरिएबल यहाँ भी शो हो रहा है, क्योंकि मैंने वहाँ पे एक वेरिएबल क्रिएट कर दिया, तो बता रहा है कि अभी तक आपने 2 ग्लोबल वेरिएबल डाले हैं। ठीक है, ऐसा चाहूँ तो मैं यहाँ से लोकल वेरिएबल भी डाल सकता हूँ, या डायरेक्टली मैं यहाँ से भी, ठीक है, मैं यहाँ से भी एक वेरिएबल क्रिएट कर सकता हूँ। ठीक है, बट एज ऑफ नाउ आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू देयर आर मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस टू क्रिएट अ वेरिएबल इन फायरफ्लाई। ठीक है, तो यहाँ से मैं चूज करता हूँ लोकल वेरिएबल, मेरे कॉल क्रिएट करना है, तो जैसे लोकल वेरिएबल मेरे को क्रिएट करना है एक ओनर का। ठीक है, याद हो आपको, तो हमने ऑलरेडी ये सब किया था। ठीक है, ग्लोबल लोकल वेरिएबल ओनर का, तो ओनर का नाम, क्योंकि ओनर भी एक रिपीटेड डेटा है। गाइस अंडरस्टैंडिंग, समझ में आ रहा है? एम आई गोइंग फास्ट और समथिंग? ठीक, ठीक है, ये देखो लोकल वेरिएबल क्रिएट कर लिया मैं, ओनर का नेम दे दिया ओनर, और उसकी वैल्यू ये हो गई। ठीक है, क्रिएट। ठीक है, अब एक लोकल वेरिएबल क्रिएट हो गया। अब ऐसे मेरे को रेपोजिटरी का भी एक क्रिएट करना है, कि ये कुशागर नामी जो रेपोजिटरी, इसका भी एक वेरिएबल क्रिएट करना है। तो मैं गया डायरेक्टली एक और वेरिएबल, यहाँ पे ऑप्शन आएगा प्लस वेरिएबल, इसको दे दिया मैं रेपो, और वैल्यू दे दिया रेपो की कुशागर। ओके, जो भी मैंने क्रिएट किया था, फिर वापस से ये वेरिएबल को भी मैंने क्रिएट कर दिया। अब 2 ग्लोबल वेरिएबल क्रिएट हो गए, अब 2 और 2 लोकल वेरिएबल क्रिएट हो गए। तो अब मैं इनको अपनी स्क्रिप्ट में कैसे कॉल करूंगा, समझते हैं। ठीक है, ये यस, कॉन्सेप्ट आर सिमिलर एज पोस्टमैन। ठीक है, इसलिए कॉन्सेप्ट हमेशा समझना चाहिए, रटना नहीं चाहिए कुछ भी। ओके, डन। तो अब fetch repository, now I want to fetch repository, I will use one method, that is get। ठीक है, अब अगर यूआरएल को कॉल करना है, तो करली ब्रेसेस से कॉल करते थे हम पोस्टमैन पे, यहाँ पे हम कैसे कॉल करते हैं, डॉलर से। डॉलर से, जैसे ही मैं डॉलर साइन लगाया, ये देखो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा ऑप्शन कि कौन सा, क्या लोकल वेरिएबल की ग्लोबल वेरिएबल। यहाँ पे हमको कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि एनवायरमेंट सेलेक्ट करना हो तभी आएगा लोकल वेरिएबल, यहाँ पे अगर कुछ ऐसा नहीं है सीन, जो भी आपने लोकल वेरिएबल ग्लोबल वेरिएबल क्रिएट किए हैं वो सारे कुछ आ जाएंगे। ठीक है, अब कौन सा चाहिए, जैसे बेस यूआरएल चाहिए मेरे को बेसिकली। ठीक है, तो बेस यूआरएल में सेलेक्ट कर लिया। ठीक है, नाउ व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट, बेस यूआरएल, और फिर उसके बाद एंड पॉइंट्स क्या है, स्लैश रपोज स्लैश ओनर स्लैश रपो। तो बेस यूआरएल स्लैश रपोज स्लैश डॉलर साइन ओनर स्लैश डॉलर साइन रपो। ठीक है, ये मैंने वेरिएबल्स क्रिएट कर लिए थे, तो उनके हेल्प से मैं यहाँ पे लिख दिया। ठीक है, अब सेम चीज ऑथराइजेशन पे जाऊंगा मैं। ऑथराइजेशन में बीयर टोकन, हाँ यहाँ पे आपको हर बार वैल्यू डालनी पड़ेगी, तो बता रहा है कि वेरिएबल, बेसिकली ये चीज ये बताती है कि वेरिएबल क्रिएट करने के फायदे कितने हैं, नहीं तो हमको हर बार वैल्यू डालनी पड़ती है यहाँ पे। ठीक है, जबकि पोस्टमैन में हमको जब सिर्फ बियर टोकन टाइप सेलेक्ट करना पड़ता था, वैल्यू पहले से एडेड रहती थी। लेकिन इट्स ओके, कितना ही टाइम लगेगा, वैल्यू तो ऐड करनी है नहीं, हमने वेरिएबल बनाया है तो उस वेरिएबल को कॉल करना है, तो ये टोकन। ठीक है, डन। अब ऑब्वियसली क्लिक ऑन सेंड बटन। ठीक है, जैसे सेंड बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे, कौन सा स्टेटस कोड मिलेगा हमको, 200। ओके, ठीक है, जेसन फॉर्मेट में आप देख सकते हो 200। ओके, ठीक है, done। Now I will save this is also as a step, and I will continue। ठीक है, then what is the next operations, I want to update it, so how will update it, I will give request name as update repo, update repo, and method that I have to use it's patch। ठीक है, हम ऑलरेडी ये काम कर चुके हैं, तो बार बार वही चीज क्या रिपीट करना। अब बेस यूआरएल डॉलर यूज किया, बेस यूआरएल, ठीक है। इसका वो क्या है, एंड पॉइंट क्या है पैच का, स्लैश, अच्छा सबका स्लैश ओनर स्लैश, ओके। इसका भी स्लैश रेपोज, स्लैश रेपोज स्लैश ओनर स्लैश रेपो, ठीक है। ऑथराइजेशन पे सेलेक्ट किया हमने बियरर टोकन और वैल्यू दे दिया डॉलर यूज करके टोकन, ठीक है। अब वापस से रिक्वेस्ट बॉडी पे गया मैं, रिक्वेस्ट बॉडी पे मेरे को बॉडी देनी है, ठीक है। आया, यहाँ पे जो भी बॉडी थी लेटेस्ट केस पे लिखी, मैंने कॉपी किया और लाके यहाँ पे मैं पेस्ट कर दिया, ठीक है। इफ आई क्लिक ऑन सेंड बटन, व्हाट आई विल गेट, आई विल गेट 200, ओके, ठीक है, 200, ओके, जेसन फॉर्मेट में ये, ठीक है। अगेन सेव एज स्टेप, सेव एंड कंटिन्यू, ठीक है। कम ऑन, कम ऑन, कम ऑन। ठीक है, कितने स्टेप्स ऐड हो गए, 3 स्टेप ऐड हो गए, ठीक है। चौथा स्टेप ऐड करते हैं जल्दी से, ठीक है। फिर एक और कॉन्सेप्ट समझते हैं, देखो कितने इजीली, मैं ऐसा नहीं लग रहा होगा कि आप लोगों को खुद, अब कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है आपका, तो आपको पता है कि कहाँ पे क्या एंटर करना है, रिक्वेस्ट नेम में क्या डालना है, कहाँ पे कौन सा मेथड यूज करना है, ठीक है। लास्ट डिलीट रेपो, ठीक है। आई विल सेलेक्ट डिलीट मेथड, रिक्वेस्ट बेस यूआरएल मैंने सेलेक्ट किया, वेरिएबल बनाया था तो, ठीक है। स्लैश रेपोस स्लैश, फिर बेस यूआरएल सेलेक्ट किया, ओनर सेलेक्ट किया, स्लैश, ठीक है। अब ऑथराइजेशन पे गए, ऑथराइजेशन में बियर टोकन सेलेक्ट किया और टोकन वैल्यूज दे दी, ठीक है। फिर मैं अगर सेंड करता हूँ तो मुझे कौन सा स्टेटस कोड मिलेगा, what status code I will get, I will get 204, 204 no content, okay, 204 no content, correct, correct Kartika, nice, okay। so कोई भी यहाँ पे बॉडी नहीं दिख रही है क्योंकि ऑलरेडी सब कुछ डिलीट हो गया है, ठीक है। कुछ भी नहीं अभी आपको यहाँ पे दिखेगा, यहाँ पे आप चाहो तो डाउनलोड भी कर सकते हो रेस्पॉन्स बॉडी, ठीक है। सेव एज स्टेप, ठीक है। अब मैं बस सेव पे क्लिक किया, ये डन, ठीक है। ना, till here is it clear guys, how we are doing CRUD operations by using variables in Firefly, how to use variables in Firefly and how to call variables in Firefly? Is it clear guys, any questions? Did I go fast? I guess is it, it is easy, no? Easy, okay, done, done, clear. If it is clear then it is okay. Now we will understand how to use post condition in Firefly, ठीक है। वहां पे अपन एजल्ट्स यूज कर रहे थे, टेस्ट यूज कर रहे थे, ठीक है। हम लोग को कोई पोस्ट कंडीशन देनी थी वैलिडेशन के लिए, बेसिकली रेस्पॉन्स बॉडी को अगर हमको वैलिडेट करना है तो हम पोस्ट कंडीशन देते हैं, ठीक है। हम वहां पे यूज कर रहे थे टेस्ट, टेस्ट में अपन पोस्ट कंडीशन दे रहे थे, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे वन वन से या नाउ, तो बेसिकली हम पोस्टमैन में टेस्ट्स में पोस्ट कंडीशन देते थे वैलिडेशन करने के लिए, ठीक है। वैलिडेशन करते थे रिस्पांस बॉडी का। यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं, एजल्ट, ठीक है। एजल्ट भी जैसा मैं बोल रहा था ना, जैसा भी आप पोस्टमैन पे कलेक्शन भी रन करते थे कि एजर्शन एरर आता था, तो बेसिकली वहां पे पोस्ट कंडीशन को टेस्ट बोला जाता था, यहाँ फायरफ्लिंग में पोस्ट कंडीशन को एजल्ट बोला जाता है, सेम थिंग है, बस नाम डिफरेंट है, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे देखना कितना इजी है, ठीक है। ये देखो, पहला, जैसे ये पोस्ट कंडीशन है, बेसिकली मैंने रिक्वेस्ट भेजी थी, रिस्पॉन्स बॉडी कुछ आया था क्या, चलो एक बार और फिर से रिक्वेस्ट भेजते हैं, अरे क्यों भेजा यार मैं रिक्वेस्ट, शिट शिट शिट। एक सेकेंड, पहले ही वैलिडेट कर लेता ना यार। आ, ना 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 ना, डिलीट। एक सेकेंड बस, वो मैं रिपोजिटरी, रिपोजिटरी 204। ओह नो। अच्छा ओके, एक सेकेंड गाइस। जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकेंड। यस यस यस, आई नो आई नो। अरे कंटिन्यूअसली काम कर रहा था। सेंड। ओके, से नाउ यही साथ ही साथ, ठीक है, जैसे मैं रिपोजिटरी क्रिएट करने के लिए रिक्वेस्ट नेम डाला, मेथड्स डाला, एंड पॉइंट्स, ठीक है। अगर आपको उससे यहाँ पे भी वेरिएबल्स यूज करने तो हटा देता हूँ ये, और वेरिएबल्स यूज कर लेते हैं। बेस यूआरएल स्लैश, क्या था पोस्ट के लिए, क्या एंड पॉइंट्स था, स्लैश यूजर स्लैश रिपोज, ठीक है, स्लैश यूजर स्लैश रिपोज, स्लैश यूजर स्लैश रिपोज, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे भी ऑथराइजेशन को अपन थोड़ा एडवांस बनाते हैं, ठीक है। डन। रिक्वेस्ट बॉडी में क्या ये है, ठीक है, डन, सब कुछ डन। नाउ या नाउ आई हैव टू गिव पोस्ट कंडीशन, ठीक है। वैलिडेट करना है मेरे को रिस्पॉन्स बॉडी में जो आएगा, ठीक है। तो मैं अभी से ही पोस्ट कंडीशन दे दूंगा। वहां पे टेस्ट बोलते थे, यहाँ पे क्या बोलते हैं, एजर्ट, ठीक है। तो मैंने क्लिक किया एजर्ट पे, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे देखना कितना इजी है, वहां पे स्मॉल प्रोग्रामिंग कोड्स लिखे रहते थे, ठीक है, प्रॉपर दिखता था कि वो कोड्स हैं जावास्क्रिप्ट लैंग्वेज में लिखे हुए हैं। यहाँ पे सिर्फ कुछ नहीं करना है, वेरीफाई स्टेटस कोड, अगर स्टेटस कोड वेरीफाई करना है क्लिक करो, ठीक है। यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन आएगा इक्वल्स टू, देखिए लेस देन क्या, ठीक है। मैं बोला इक्वल्स टू किसके आना चाहिए, अगर पोस्ट कर, अगर ये क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं, रेपोजिटरी क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ, तो 201 आना चाहिए, ठीक है, डन 201। वेरीफाई स्टेटस मैसेज, स्टेटस मैसेज क्या आना चाहिए, स्टेटस मैसेज आना चाहिए क्रिएटेड, ठीक है। स्टेटस मैसेज आना चाहिए क्रिएटेड, बेसिकली इसमें आई गेस ये कैप्स होता है आई गेस, ठीक है, क्रिएटेड। रेस्पॉन्स टाइम क्या आना चाहिए, रेस्पॉन्स टाइम यहाँ इक्वल्स टू है, यहाँ पे लेस देन कर दो, या फिर लेस देन और इक्वल्स टू भी कर सकते हैं, या फिर लेस देन कर दो। लेस देन कितना कितना है यहाँ पे, बेसिकली 1300 है, ठीक है, चलो 1300 लिख देता है, ठीक है, 1300, ठीक है। यहाँ पे भी अगर इसको वेरिएबल क्रिएट करना हो कुछ, लेकिन क्यों करना वेरिएबल इसको क्रिएट, ठीक है। वेरीफाई जेसन पाथ, ठीक है, जेसन पाथ अगर क्या करना हो, वेरीफाई करना हो तो, ठीक है। अब ये इक्वल्स टू, यार यहाँ पे नेम होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे कुशाग्र होना चाहिए, फिर से कुछ अपडेट आया है क्या, देखते हैं। प्रोडक्ट एनालिस्ट है क्या है, रिस्पॉन्स बॉडी में, प्रोडक्ट एनालिस्ट, कैपिटल। बेसिकली यहाँ पे ऐसा होना चाहिए कि नेम, इसके सामने कुशाग्र, ठीक है, इक्वल्स टू हमने सेलेक्ट किया, नेम इज इक्वल टू कुशाग्र, डिस्क्रिप्शन इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट एनालिस्ट। इतना इजी है, ये लगता है कुछ अपडेट आया है, मैंने अभी बहुत टाइम से एनालिस्ट, ठीक है, फॉल्स। हाँ ये कर लिया, वैलिडेट ये कर लिया, ये कर लिया, ये ओनर इज इक्वल टू ये, ओनर डॉट लॉग इन होना चाहिए। मैं बस ट्राई करके देख रहा हूँ एक बार, नथिंग कि ट्राई करने में क्या जाता है। कंटेंट टाइप भी वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं, ऑब्वियसली जेसन में आना चाहिए। चलो गाइज, अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम डूइंग हियर। यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, ठीक है, हालांकि यहाँ पे नेम इक्वल कुशाग्र ऐसे होना चाहिए, ये कोई चेंज आया आई गेस। ओके लेट्स सी। और प्री रिक्वेस्ट एज आई सेड इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हुआ अभी, पोस्ट कंडीशन। चलो सेंड करके देखते हैं इसको एक बार। फेल्ड 201 क्रिएटेड, फेल्ड क्यों, यहाँ पे एजल्ट रिजल्ट्स, स्टेटस मैसेज, कंटेंट टाइप, अच्छा 201 क्रिएटेड होना चाहिए। ओ माय गॉड, वो बोल रहा है कि पूरी बॉडी, मतलब समझ रहे हो आप, ये रिस्पॉन्स बॉडी पूरी लाके एक ही बार में पटक दो, ठीक है। कि बेसिकली मैं क्या समझाता हूँ, यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है जेसन पाथ में, कि इक्वल्स टू, यहाँ पे दे दिया है कि रेस्पॉन्स बॉडी, कि रेस्पॉन्स बॉडी किसके इक्वल होने चाहिए, ठीक है। तो बेसिकली ये तो तभी पता चलेगा जब वो हो जाएगा, जब हमको बॉडी लाइक रियलिटी में मिल जाएगी, ठीक है। तो ये देखो, अगर ये मैं बॉडी पूरी कॉपी कर लेता हूँ, लेट्स कॉपी दिस बॉडी, ठीक है। और लगता है चेंज आया है इसमें, कि अब सीधे इसमें बोल दिया है कि रिस्पॉन्स बॉडी एक बार डालो और ख़त्म करो, कि ये रिस्पॉन्स बॉडी इसके इक्वल होना चाहिए। तो मैं ये डाल देता हूँ, ठीक है। और एक बार, अरे यार इसको सेंड करना था मेरे को, 422 आएगा अगर वापस से वो करूँगा तो। जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकेंड गाइस। ये मैनुअली डिलीट कर सकते हैं, जैसे अपन वहाँ पे ऑपरेशन लिख रहे हैं, अगर मैनुअली डिलीट करना है रिपोजिटरी को तो यहाँ कैसे कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। जेसन पाथ ये हो गया, रेस्पॉन्स टाइम ये हो गया, कंटेंट टाइप क्या हो गया, जेसन, इसको हटा, ऐसे डाल के देखते हैं। सेंड एक बार और करता हूँ। 201 क्रिएटेड, एजल्ट रिजल्ट्स, सब कुछ फेल हो गया, बहुत बढ़िया। स्टेटस जेसन पाथ, स्टेटस मैसेज क्या है, अच्छा 201 क्रिएटेड समझा, रिस्पॉन्स टाइम ज़्यादा होगा, जेसन पाथ अभी भी इक्वल नहीं हुआ है। I will do I will do some research about this, guys, and I will get back to you. Okay. सी सिंपल अपन कैसे यहाँ पे देखो, टेस्ट रिजल्ट्स देखते थे वहां पे, यहाँ पे अपन रिजल्ट्स देखते हैं। ठीक है, सिंपल, ये बात तो आप लोग को देख के समझ में आई होगी। ठीक है, बेसिकली हमको अगर स्टेटस कोड वेरीफाई वेरीफाई करना है तो 201, और स्टेटस मैसेज करना है तो हमको पूरा लिखना होगा 201, 201 क्रिएटेड। ओके, आंसर 201 क्रिएटेड। ठीक है, ये पूरा होगा। रेस्पॉन्स टाइम तो आप जितना मर्जी वो डालो। ठीक है, और जेसन पाथ पहले कैसा था? पहले बेसिकली था कि जैसे जेसन पाथ नेम, नेम ये अभी हट नहीं रहा है। ठीक है, नेम यहाँ पे नेम दे दूंगा मैं, नहीं तो ऐसे करूँ क्या, नेम, और नेम जो भी नेम की इक्वल आना चाहिए कुशाग्र। फिर एक और ऐड किया, यहाँ पे लिखा मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन, डिस्क्रिप्शन के इक्वल आना चाहिए प्रोडक्ट एनालिस्ट। समझ में आ रहा है guys? Understanding what I'm trying to say? Previously it was like that, now maybe they have updated something. So now I will ask about this and I will get back to you. Okay, so till here is it clear, guys? Is it clear till here how we are making use of variables, how easily we are just adding pre-post conditions? Oh my god, let me charge my laptop, otherwise it will switch off. One sec, guys, just one, give me a second. Okay, so yeah, okay. So guys, till now is it clear like how we are doing, like what are the things, like we did CRUD operations, okay, in what GitHub, okay. We understand how we can create variables in Firefly, and we also understand about post condition. Okay, I will this verify regarding this verify JSON path, I will ask about it and I will get back to you. Okay, now one more thing is left, like about collections. Okay, how we can run collections, I will discuss. I will repeat the same thing, right? Whatever we did today, I will repeat the same thing in tomorrow class as well. And I will tell you there is a separate section of run collection, like the same thing, request chaining process. There is a separate collection for that. So we will learn this thing tomorrow. And tomorrow there will be class. That will be our last class of API. Okay. So please attend that class without. Uh, sorry, one second. Basically you have to work when you will get added under one license only. Okay, under that specific license you have to work like this, just like I'm working now here. You have to create a module by your name, and then under that respective module you start adding automation scripts and doing CRUD operation on that particular scripts. Okay, just like you have to add one automation script of Pesto App APIs, and then second request and GitHub, perform all those operations, make use of variables, do post condition as well. Okay, run collection we will learn tomorrow. Tomorrow there will be class, I'm repeating, and tomorrow will be the last class of API. Okay, so about Firefly, understood, guys? Do you have any question regarding Firefly? See, it is totally automation scriptless. We are not writing any kind of codes and we are doing automation. Okay, so that's all about Firefly. It is very easy to use, as you can see. Okay. Okay, so tomorrow Java class is there 10 to 4:30. So 5. Can we start class at 5:30? You know why I'm starting class at 5:20? Because one of the student told me that they have some Java class at till 4:15. That's why I'm starting this API class like from past 2 days from 5:20. So class start tomorrow 6 p.m. Okay, 6 p.m. I do have to. Okay, 6 p.m. uh, 6 p.m. Okay, so we can start this class at 6 p.m. as well. One sec, one sec. You can take class on Sunday rather than tomorrow. No, 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 Aman. Actually, I also have some work to do on Sunday. So yeah, basically, I also have to see, like, you guys also have to see like whether I am free or not or something. Okay, so we will have our last class of API tomorrow at 6 p.m. I just need half an hour, and tomorrow will be our last class of API. So why this class will be conducted? Basically, I need to check whether you guys are able to work on Firefly or not, first thing. And second thing, tomorrow we will have one doubt clear session. Okay, कितना भी आधे पौन घंटे का जो भी अभी तक आपको ये पोस्टमैन में या फिर ये फायर फ्लिंग में डाउट होंगे तो आप पूछ लेना, ठीक है। आई विल ट्राई टू क्लियर ऑल ऑफ योर डाउट एज मच एज आई कैन, ठीक है। तो एक तो पहला मैं चेक करूंगा कि आप लोग जैसे पोस्टमैन पे काम कर रहे पा रहे हो वैसे फायर फ्लिंग पे भी कर पा रहे हो कि नहीं, ठीक है। और दूसरी चीज मेक श्योर करेंगे कि जो भी डाउट होगा वो क्लियर करेंगे। ज्यादा ज्यादा आधा घंटा 45 मिनट हमने, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी फायर फिल्म के भी सारे टॉपिक कवर कर लिए, बस एक टॉपिक बचा है, बहुत छोटा सा टॉपिक है, बहुत ईजी है, ठीक है। And second, before coming to tomorrow class, what you have to do, you have to make sure that in your system you have downloaded this client, ठीक है। ये क्लाइंट को आप डाउनलोड कर लेना, ठीक है। डजेंट मैटर आप कोई भी लाइसेंस में हो, आप उस लाइसेंस में जाके इस क्लाइंट को डाउनलोड कर लेना, ठीक है। अपन काम करना स्टार्ट करेंगे उस स्पेसिफिक लाइसेंस में जो मैं बताऊंगा, ठीक है। NFF-A3 करके रहेगा, ठीक है। तो उस पर हम काम करेंगे, लेकिन हम डाउनलोड कहीं से भी कर सकते हैं। तो बेसिकली आप अपने लाइसेंस पे जाओ, डाउनलोड क्लाइंट पे क्लिक करो, विंडोज क्लिक करके डाउनलोड करो और फिर इंस्टॉल कर लो, ठीक है। 2 बार एक्सेस मारेगा, दोनों बार अलाउ कर देना बस, ठीक है। तो कल क्लास कैसे इंस्टॉल करके आनी है, कल क्लास शाम को 6 बजे रखेंगे, 6 से 6:30 या 7, ठीक है, मैक्स टू मैक्स, ठीक है, डन। हाँ, टुमारो आई विल गिव यू इंटरव्यू को। फायरफ्लिंग में देखना है कि मेरे को काम कर पा रहे हो कि नहीं, पोस्टमैन में काम कर पा रहे हो कि नहीं। एंड टुमारो वी विल एंड दिस एपीआई सेशन, टुमारो विल बी अवर लास्ट डे, ठीक है। टाइम है 6 to 7, ठीक है, डन। सो thank you so much. When will next batch start? Actually already one batch is running at morning 8 a.m, ठीक है, 8 a.m to 9 a.m, done. So now that's all for the day. That's all for the day. Uh, I hope this session was informative and interactive for all of you guys. Tomorrow we will have last session of API. Please do well and please do revision as well. All of those things which we are doing daily. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. And an evening batch start soon. No, no, I don't think so. But you have to check once with management, like with Q Spiders management. I'm not